Trains. What is it about them that stirs the schoolboy enthusiasm of many adults? And why should there be such polished affection for an engine whose very name sparkles with historical significance? We're at Stableford Park in Leicestershire, where the railway which runs around the centuries-old home of Lord Gretton has all the officialdom and timetable precision to fascinate the passengers. They come in thousands, because it's not often that a stately home can offer such a 20th century innovation to the young in heart. All aboard. Lakeside Station is looming ahead, so have your embarkation cards ready. If you look quickly, you'll just catch a glimpse of old Harry, the official train spotter. Actually, his real job is to look round the curve to make sure that it's all clear for full steam ahead.